on our data sheet for representing substances, carbon is going to be represented by an electron dot diagram. C, followed by 4 surrounding dots, represents the 4 bonding electrons that carbon has to precipitate in bonding. Its electronic configuration of the outer shell is 2s2, 2p2, which hybridizes to 2sp3 orbitals. The number of elements is 1, and the number of atoms is 1. Water, H2O, can be shown by the electron dot diagram. Oxygen, with its 6 valence electrons to participate in bonding. Hydrogen has 1 electron to participate in bonding. This gives water a bond angle of 104.52 degrees. The electron configuration of oxygen, of course, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. There are 2 non-bonding pairs of electrons in oxygen. Which by the valence shell electron repulsion theory are now isolated to give a structural formula of AX2E2. Number of elements are 2, and the number of atoms are 3. Carbon dioxide is represented with a carbon atom, a central carbon atom, two oxygen atoms, this molecule is linear. The number of elements are 2. The number of atoms are 3. Sodium chloride, NaCl. Chlorine being in group 7, having 7 valence electrons, sodium having 1. Of course, this bonding is typically ionic, anything from group 1. Bonding with something in group 7 is an ionic compound. The number of elements are 2. The number of atoms are 2. Oxygen. Oxygen is a homonuclear diatomic molecule. The number of elements are 1. The number of atoms are 2.